Good morning from Bocas Del Toro. It's action time, time to get some waves. So, if it's one thing Bocas is known for, is surfing. I'm hoping to get some waves because it happens that I'm here during the flat season. Things really pick up in November and December. I am due to be back in December anyway, so hopefully I get something today. There's a little swell that's coming in that I might get lucky. Yeah, let me go see what I can get. I met this gentleman called Jimmy. He is living right next to the place that I'm staying, and he offered to take me to one of the spots here, one of the local reef breaks, to see if I get anything out of this swell. So I'm gonna go meet him now, pick him up, and then head to the spot. Let's do this. So you think we'll get waves today?
Maybe this afternoon. We'll go see.
Okay. I actually saw a little decent size.
That's Packy Point.
Okay.
Okay.
Might get something there.
That's the beginner's way.
Right.
It can be a fun wave. We'll probably end up going out there. The kids will be out.
So this afternoon might be a better option.
A little bit better, but...
Right. So that's silverbacks right there.
Silverbacks right there.
Notorious silverbacks.
I've surfed it once at 6 foot. And let me tell you, I will never surf it again. I will go out with a camera.
Right.
I will never surf it again. And that's paunch right there, and it's not breaking.
Right.
I mean, but we may not be seeing a set.
We're at a beach called Playa Bluff, and the sunrise here is intense. So we're actually getting a little bit of surf. This is Jimmy. Say hi, Jimmy.
How you doing?
It's not the biggest or not the best, but it's very clean and there's potential for later. So I'll take a little thing now, and then hopefully if it gets big later, get it again. Alright, so I got a good session. Okay, maybe not a good session. I got a session. It was small but very clean. It's a quality place to surf. It just needs some size, you know. A little bit of swell on it and it would have been even more fun, but at least I got wet. At least I got in the water and got a wave or two, so I'm happy. Time to get to work. Let's go film this place. Okay folks, just a quick note to thank Tyson from Island Realty for not only organizing the accommodation for me, but kind of helping me out capture all of this stuff that you're going to see in the next few seconds, and just my stay in Bocas in general. In addition, I want to thank my sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate. They work together and they do an incredible job of getting your dream property, whether if you want to rent, whether if you want to buy. When you come to Panama, you'll see that they are very knowledgeable in what they do, and they have a lot of properties available. Head over to the link in the description below and check out all that they have to offer. Thanks again folks, you all are amazing.